you'll be way back where you started from. Why are you still waiting? The past has started to fade. It's never too late. Pick your own fate, throw your past behind. Can't see all the things behind you. Can't face anything that held you back. So listen to the steps I tell you. There's no way through. 'Cause number one is the part where you stop, accept your flaws, take what you got. Number two, feel your heart stop beating again. Number three, fill your cup by the drop, start again, right from the top. Number four, imagine yourself breathing, breathing again. One of these old days, yeah. One of these old days, we ain't gonna have to cry no more. You see, God's gonna wipe away all our tears. He gonna wipe the tears, yeah. He gon'
Motherfucker! Oh, I can't. I just kicked the shit out of something. 2 steps in. This isn't a bamboo forest. This looks like something out of a fucking.
I haven't looked at anything that's at the bit of
fucking
mud,
ground.
mud and rocks.
Wait till it starts raining.
Yeah, so Robbo got lost in the drop of a hat, and you decided to take an alternate track. Where'd he go? Oh.
Could be all fours here.
Fucking sketchy. Jesus.
It's alright, once we get down there, we're okay. That's when we really get lost.
Wait until I lose the car key.
Grabbing the bamboos.
Are you leaving little things on the...
Yeah, because it's fucking Hansel and Gretel, cunt. Fuck. That is slippery. Well, it's starting to look quite pretty. Couldn't even find a fucking panda bear in here. Oh, oh, when I kick that fucking thing, look at that.
Taking a photo of it.
Oh You're probably going to have to get wet to get over there, mate.
Right?
I reckon that'll be just as slippery.
That way.
That way?
Yep.
Are you fucking serious? You don't think we should go on a path well travelled? Aren't we supposed to be going up the hill?
Yeah, maybe. It's fine. There's some more losers.
I love the confidence in the direction.
Oh, I'm confused.
And then you do a 180.
Well, did you go up the waterfall or down the waterfall?
I'm thinking not we went that way, but
Well, we're not going to get lost if we're just
Fucking following the trail.
right next to the water.
Waterfall.
I'm sure it's not that way.
Well, we can have a look here. We're not going to get lost.
Although
here.
the water was flowing that way. Those footprints.
That's always a good sign.
Oh, that we just put a mark. He's got some.
You just put a mark down.
I've left my mark.
I'm not fucking getting up anything that's slippery.
We'll lean against it.
It looks like something out of a fucking panda movie. Fucking idiot. I meant stand over here somewhere. Hi ho, hi ho, rock the bamboo forest we go.
They didn't say anything to us. We're walking and next thing we know there's no fucking bamboo and we can't even see where the fuck we're going.
Wow, it's dark in here. I'd like to say you could fucking bury a body up here, but fuck digging anything in this bloody mess.
Young and agile. What the fuck happened?
You used it all up on day one.
Can't believe you didn't bring another 3 camels with you.
I only got 2 hands, mate, and you didn't want to carry shit.
I want to fucking drop it.
Hard to appreciate the view when all you're doing is looking where you're fucking walking.
Hopefully you guys can stay as dry as possible.
Well, I think that just went to shit with that comment. Oh, are you fucking kidding?
Maybe pass through your camera when there's a rope there to hold on as well, but it's not as slippery as it looks. It's like this too. Dead body ahead.
Huh? Fucking joggers. That's what I should have done. Unless it comes like a pulled pork on a fucking roll, I'm not interested. You imagine being fucking Vietnam War, having to walk through this shit carrying like 60 kilos of crap.
Yeah.
You can understand why they fucking got destroyed. Oh, there's ladders up there if you want to go further.
Yeah, well that.
Are you fucking for real? I'm just going to haphazardly say I'm not getting past the end of that ladder.
Nah, don't worry about it.
Fuck that shit. Now you've got some slack and you can bring the cunt in. Hold on tight. Ah! Oh! Motherfucker! Fuck you, Steve, and your fucking bamboo forest. Oh, that fucking hurt.
You can't do it anywhere. Fuck. So if it fucking starts pissing down, before you know it, you're fucked.
Guys are going really hard.
No, just all fours or go home.